Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, Expressions and Equations 1 and 2, Algebra 1B, and we're looking at simplifying expressions, and we're looking at a word problem. So we have the cost of a jacket, and that's J, and they're marking it up at a store for 5% markup. And it's represented as J plus 0.05 J, so that's the 5% markup. Simplify the expression and then determine what the price is after the markup if the original cost is $35. So you need all of these math, pull them out, all this math stuff. And they give you the expression J plus 0.05 J, and that's the expression. And so now we can simplify that. So if I have 1 J here, and I add that to that, so I can combine them because they're like terms, I have 1.05 J. That looks a little odd, but it's fairly simple. And now I'm going to simplify that to 1.05 times 35, because they gave us the original jacket. The J is the cost here, $35, and that's the 35. And when you multiply that out, you get $36.75. And the only reason you can simplify that is because they gave you the value of what J is. There you go. Thank you.